everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. In today's video we have a haul. We have a home decor haul. So let's go ahead and get started, and the first thing I want to share with you all is this rug. It is a rug I found at HomeGoods. It was $22 on clearance, regular price $29. It's a faux fur accent rug that's going to be used in the guest bedroom. So I have that, $22, and I also purchased these beautiful curtains. These are 84 inches. They're really thin, so it's going to give that room just a really simple look if I decide to go that color direction. These curtains were $29, and they do have the grommets on them. So they're gray with sparks of silver in them. And it's going to go really well with the wallpaper that I have selected for that room, or should I say purchased for that room already. Now I'm trying to decide if I'm going to go with turquoise or cerulean curtains, because I am going to bring out some cerulean pillows that I already have. So with that being said, I went looking for these and I didn't see them until after I purchased these. So these are 96 inches. I really need 84 inches, I think. I went ahead and got them anyway, and if I don't use them, I am going to take them back. They were $60. They're a really pretty color, and as I mentioned, I do have some cerulean pillows as well as some cerulean and silver pillows that's going to go really good in that space. Okay, so I got that from HomeGoods, and I also got these pillows. I don't know if I shared them in one of the hauls because they were just in a bag down the hall, and I don't think I shared them. But I purchased these probably a couple of months ago, and they were $35 at HomeGoods. I love this look. I have quite a few pillows with this Versace. Some people call it the Greek key, but these were $35 each, and they're more of a silver and taupe color. They will pair really well with these curtains. These really will look good, probably with the wallpaper that I have going in that area. I can't wait. I cannot wait to get in that room and get it done, y'all. Okay, so $35 each at HomeGoods. The other thing I picked up is this beautiful vase. It is a metal vase. It's similar to, or I think it will pair well with the other larger metal vase that I picked up at Amazon. This one was $30 at HomeGoods. Really pretty, really pretty. You can see that. All right, so just imagine even putting something like this in it or on it. And with that being said, I purchased this from a boutique in Memphis, and it was $25.99. So sometimes I can find things like this at HomeGoods. A lot of times I can't. So when I do see things like this, it costs me a little bit more, but it is so worth it. So I got one of these from this boutique called Something Special in Memphis, $25.99. I did ask them today, do they ship? And they don't. So $25.99. And the other thing I picked up was 3 of these. These were $12.99 at that boutique. Give you a close-up view of them. That is it. I really love these. So I'm going to use these either on the candlestick or candle holder, or maybe in my little tray that I have. The other thing I picked up was this candle. It smells so good. It was $17.99 at that boutique, and as you can see, it is my color. And let me show you closer. Here it is, and it came with a little plastic already on it. And as you can see, if you can see that, it has little flakes, I'm assuming, of the greenery from the strawberry. But this is so worth it because this is 2-in-1. You have a figurine as well as a candle. So this will go on the coffee table in here. I just have everything kind of cleared off for now just so I can do this video. So that's that. Oh, this smells so good. I hope it burns just the way it smells. My last video, I went to Kirkland's and I picked up those decorative beads. And remember, they were $35, but I found some similar at Target on clearance for $15. So while I was looking, I found some green wine glasses and they were $4 each. I've seen these several years ago or similar. It may have been Pier 1 and they were like $8 a piece, and these were actually $8 a piece. They're still online on Kirkland's website for $8 each. But in the store, they rang up $3.97, and they had the stickers on them for clearance. I used my store credit, well, my refund, because I had my receipt, and I purchased 6 of these and 6 of these. So I only had to pay $17 out of my pocket. So technically, I spent $48 for 2 sets of glasses. This is such a pretty green. I had to get them, and I am going to do a tablescape in the kitchen area with this green. So I got that in my wine bar area and my guest bathroom. I have the longer version of these handles or drawer pulls, and I guess they add up. These were around $4 or $5, and I had to get, I think, 16 and 18 and plus 4 of the smaller ones. These are all going to blend into the wine bar area, and I got these from Amazon. I also will be getting a new faucet. I already picked it out, but my husband is going to install it because I need a new garbage disposal. So we're going to do all of that at the same time. But I'm going to go ahead and put these on tonight. Speaking of kitchen, today's video is being sponsored by HelloFresh. My husband, children know I hate going to the grocery store. I'll go to Kirkland's, I'll go to Hobby Lobby, Sam's Club sometimes. Now, I love to cook, but I want to cook when everything is already here. So with that being said, HelloFresh is perfect for my life. I think I shared that in my last video with working with them. The food was great. The food was delicious, and I really enjoyed cooking it, especially when everything comes prepackaged together. So with that being said, let me show you a clip of what I cooked last night. HelloFresh is sponsoring today's video. HelloFresh delivers delicious recipes with pre-portioned ingredients with step-by-step instructions right to your door. This really helps me with taking away the stress of grocery shopping and deciding what's for dinner. It is perfect for my life. They have so many menu and market items to choose from. They make healthy living easy with their calorie smart and vegetarian recipe options. HelloFresh doesn't just have dinner options. You can choose holiday cheese, pre-cooked chicken for salads, and even charcuterie boards. You can also change your delivery days and skip a week. You can even order larger boxes with more meals and more savings. Today I'll be preparing the brown sugar bourbon steak. The recipe says pork chops, but I substituted for the steak. The ingredients are pre-portioned, so it's less prep and less wasted food. HelloFresh has committed to the fight against food insecurity by making fresh food delicious and available. And now I'll just pop my green beans in the oven while the steak is cooking, and then I'll prep the rest of the ingredients. Everything's done, so let's plate the food. All right, so it's time to eat. I'm going for the salad first. I love salad. That's good. It is so good.
Use my code UNIQUE16 to get up to 16 free meals plus 3 free gifts at HelloFresh. Visit the link in the description for more details.
All right, so here is the chair, and as you can see, this chair is pretty wide and deep. Like, I love it, but it's not as big as I wanted it to be. So it still is going to work, and we'll get a chance to see that in my next video. I'm going to decorate the kitchen nook. So I have 4 of these, and here is the other one. And of course, they do keep the legs in the bottom of the chair, and that is the other one. And there's an item over in the corner I have to do an unboxing for. So yeah, I just wish they were bigger and grander, but they'll work. So I may still end up ordering the chairs that I originally wanted. All right, I just want to share these 2 pieces of art with you all. Now, I used to have 2 pictures that were back here, and one of my friends reached out to me and said, if you sell those pictures, I want them. And I told her, you can have them now, because I'm not absolutely in love with them, because I love this one more. So you're welcome to purchase them now for what I paid for them. And she came right over and got them. I found these because I originally was going to use those in my master bedroom, but I wanted some color. So these right here are going to go in the master bedroom, and this is going to be my look for spring and summer. So I got 2 of these, and they were $80 a piece. I absolutely love the colors in them. They're only meant to be hung this way here, and they will look absolutely beautiful if you wanted to hang it the other way. You just want to change your hooks in the back of the picture. So these are going into my bedroom, and as you can see, I'm going to be working with baby blue and soft colors in there. Even with my dark color walls, that's what we're doing in there. So I'm so happy I found these pictures, and they're going to work really well in my space. $80 at Home Goods. I'll put the measurements up there. All right, so I'm just going to put these back over here out of the way. All right, so my husband and I went to Sam's Club, and he had to get a few items for the fire department. He had to go to work the next day. And while we were there, he picked out 2 large flower pots or planters. I'll call them planters because they're huge. And I'm going to use them outside. They're just gray. And also these indoor-outdoor flameless candles. They did come with the batteries and a remote control, I believe. Maybe not the remote. I don't see a remote. No, it doesn't have a remote. It has a timer on the bottom of them. And these were $20. Those large planters that he got were $20 each also. But we're going to use these outdoors in my large, really large lanterns that I have for outdoors. So we got that from Sam's Club. And Sam's Club has some really nice indoor-outdoor rugs. I actually almost purchased one, but I felt like the pile on the rug was a little too high for outdoors. It may work really good maybe in a sunroom or a covered area. So I was getting one to just add to the other part of the patio and change my mind. And they were really pretty for $100. I wish I had taken a picture, but be sure you check them out for their outdoor rugs. They had some that I was like, if I didn't already have this rug and the pile wasn't so high on them, I would have purchased them, especially for the covered part. So they were $100, and you know I paid $200 for the rug, the 8x10 that I got from Lowe's, and their 8x10 was $99.96, and it was made by Savavia Homes. So you know that is a great brand. I do have a few pieces around the house from that brand. So, outdoors, I went to Home Goods, and this is, I don't know why I always have these funny little stories at Home Goods, and this one wasn't so funny. It was real simple, but it was a lady looking at some planters or some flower pots, and she was looking on the top row, and I spotted these on the bottom row. As soon as I saw them, I just walked over and I was getting them one by one to put in my basket. And I picked up one, bent down and picked up the other one, and she went around and grabbed one of the small ones and kind of walked off, which was fine. I didn't want the small ones anyway, but what if I did? Yeah, what if I did? But anyway, here is one of them, and this is my color. It has the gray with the cream and the green. Yes. So this one was, the price tag just fell off. I saw it. I think this one was $14.99. No, this one was $16.99. And this one was $19.99. And I purchased 2 of these. So we have 3. And I wanted, this is the largest size. I have a lot of blue ones out there because originally that was my color out there. But since we have new patio furniture, my color has evolved. Which reminds me, I went out to our shed and I saw some pillows I forgot about. They were in the shed for outdoors. So we're going to incorporate this color and take out some of the blue that I have out there. Now, that is that. So RHôNE is a company that sent me a gift. They sent me this as well as 2 more gifts, and I'm going to share that in my next video. But this one is a air humidifier. And this is the perfect time of the year that we need these types of things, especially with all the pollen and air issues, quality of air that we have. So they sent me this. We are going to start using this humidifier, especially in the bedroom.
All right, so let's see how it works. So I'm just going to remove the last packaging out of the humidifier, and then we're going to plug it directly into the wall. And now I'm going to pour the water directly into the tub basin, and it has a little tray on the side that pops out. I'm just going to add some essential oil. I already have that, and turn it on, and there you have it. Humidifier holds up to 4 liters of water. You can adjust the level of mist as well as the timer for 1 to 12 hours. I'll leave the link and a coupon code in the description if you're interested.
All right, everyone, that is the end of this video. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed and you like these types of videos, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. And thank you, HelloFresh, for sponsoring today's video. I'll leave a link as well as the discount code in the description for you to take advantage of this promo. So don't forget to click that link in the description. So thanks again for watching. Have a great day.